welcome to ManKitchenRecipes. I am Kevin, and I'm Brad. And today we're going to cook up some bacon and eggs. He's just going to show me some more cooking on the Blackstone Griddle. So, yeah, get it ready. Okay. Here, let me help this griddle ready. Okay, it's kind of bright out here. Get the bacon going. I think I'm going to put my sunglasses on. You just keep cooking. I've been watching a lot more YouTube videos since that last video, and I wrote down some more channels. I want to give the shout out. I like these shout outs. He probably doesn't even do them, does he? Okay, let's see. Brandon, Taylor's Fire and Smoke. I watched your channel, and man, you got some great recipes too. I really enjoy watching it. I really like when you use your little pellet smoker thing that you got. I forget what you call it, but that's pretty cool. You're watching a lot of YouTube, more than me, I think. Here's one I watched some, but it seemed like he stopped putting videos. There was a long gap between videos, and he told me that he took a break. Gary at GT's Barbecue and Cuisine. Gary, get back to work. Okay. Oh, I wanted to mention the background music from his videos. The guy Brad that I'm named after, he does the background music for him. He plays the guitar. And anyway, G.B. Gerver, songwriter. If you want to go check out his channel, show him some love. Okay, and speaking of music, we have a cousin that lives right up over there. Right over that hill over there. His name's Daryl. It's Flat Picking NM. It's his channel name, so Flat Picking, New Mexico. If you like Merle Haggard, you will love his music. He sounds like Merle Haggard. He even does some of his covers. So go check out Daryl, Flat Picking NM. Had a little leftover bacon, excuse me. Had a little leftover bacon. That bacon smells good. In my baggie, I had a green chili. Don't interrupt me. Just kidding. And it smells delicious. Okay. Okay, here's another channel that I really enjoy, and he said he enjoys it too, and I think we're thinking the same. Oh, did you notice he made us get a haircut since the last video? Thanks, buddy. Okay, this next channel is Alexis over at the other side of the stove. Now, Alexis, he's a professional chef. He knows what he's doing. I like watching him. He says he likes watching him. Anyway, I learned a lot from watching his channel. I'm hoping he did so that he starts cooking right. Yep. What? I know. I don't mind cooking, and he's presentation. Alexis, beautiful plates, great tips. Thanks for the knowledge I've learned from it, and hopefully he's picking up on some of it. Okay, here's another channel that I started watching a little bit on, and it's Cooking with Anadi. Anadi, you're an amazing cook. Great instructional videos. Man, I don't think he's been keeping up. Okay, speaking of instructional videos, have you ever seen SJ Cooks, Sal at SJ Cooks? Dudes, guys, gals, go check out Sal. Give him some love too. He's got a great channel. He does a lot of cooking on a Weber. So, Sal, can't argue with any of your channel, man. Mentioning. They're all awesome. I like them. That's why I subscribe to them. Okay. Yeah, I've been watching a lot of videos trying to keep up with everything. There's these two guys that make chicken wings. Now, I was watching quite a few of them. It's called Battle of the Wings Wednesday. One of the battles is Chef King Fresh, and the other guy on his channel is Shotgun 2. And every Wednesday they were doing a battle of the wings, and one would make his and the other would make his, right? Awesome looking wings. Just about any kind you can think of, but obviously there were a lot more. They stopped doing it because Shotgun had some issue with monetizing in YouTube, and anyway, I think they're working it out. Go check out those two channels, Chef King Fresh and Shotgun Tube. I know he loves you guys on it, man. I'm really liking that channel, both of them. Okay, another one that I really enjoy, Karen. In the Kitchen with Karen. I told her she needs to buy this lot right behind us. He told me it was for sale. I'm like, Karen needs to buy that. She makes some awesome stuff, and I can't even imagine we probably wouldn't even fit in the same video camera screen if we had Karen living behind us. We'd be eating so much good stuff. Oh my God, can't even imagine. Karen, go check out Karen's channel. Another good one is Stelly's Grills and Chills. Stelly, man, I think he's a professional chef too, because he is an amazing cook. He cooks up some awesome dishes. Stelly, dude, you're so chill. I love your channel. He loves your channel. Okay, and then I got a couple of, we'll just save them. I'm gonna watch this guy. I might even help him a little bit. I think too, what we're gonna do is, instead of just bacon and eggs, I think I'm gonna use that omelet ring and make bacon. I'm about ready, but I wanna do a couple more, just bacon and cheese and an egg. Oh, okay, so I got some new people that I looked at. I think they're new to him too. He told me they were new anyway. We've got Cocktail Tony. Okay, our Cocktail bacon is Tony getting there. Makes cocktails and his wife films it, and it is very entertaining. I love you guys. He likes you guys, so I know he knew I would like them. If you want to know how to mix a great drink, go watch Cocktail Tony, and not only to learn how to make a drink, but for some great entertainment. He's awesome. Check out Cocktail Tony, and I'm pretty sure you'll subscribe. Another one he tells me is on the somewhat new is Chris Hansen. Chris Hansen, dude, you got some good cooks. Keep it up. He tells me he just found you. I don't know how long you've been on, but the ones I watched, they're good. Don't stop. Okay, and then there's one other that he told me I had to go watch. He said I wouldn't believe it, the way that these plates look. So, and this gal is from Spain. And I don't speak Spanish, so let me try not to mess this up. Cocina con Lizelle. Lizelle is an amazing cook. I think she's a professional from what I've seen. She makes every dish look too good to eat. It's so amazing. You've got to go check out her channel. Her channel, I mean, you just got to see it to believe it. Cocina con Lizelle. I'm gonna cook up some omelets, I think, if he lets me. Okay, I get to help with the cook. Got 3 eggs. Is this a duck egg? Yeah, that one looks like a duck egg. I think one of those eggs is a duck egg. Get them ready. We'll get them on here, or you can get them on here, whatever. Yeah, scramble them up. Okay, Brad, I'm gonna leave you solo. Okay, that works for me. You take over. I think I already know how to cook. We got to do the taste test. Okay, I've got my omelet ring down, and I'm just going to pour my eggs in there. Oh, I went too fast. Look it overran. Okay, he told me this was in here, so I'm going to put some of his SPG in there. Okay, and put some bacon down in there. This up. We got lots of bacon. See if that comes off. That's a little warm. You didn't tell me it was going to be warm. Okay, slide that over there. Okay. Fold that over, just like a pro. Look at that. Okay. Now that look good or what? I forgot to put the darn cheese, but don't tell Kevin. I'm gonna just put some right here on top of this one. Don't tell him I did that. He'll see it, but we'll try to disguise it. All right, I'm gonna slide this one over here. Don't say nothing. He thinks he's all that in a bag of chips. Oh, there's a lot to this. I gotta get 3 more eggs. Look at this egg. Can you see it? It's got speckles. Okay. Okay. Okay, move my egg ring back over here. I'll go slow this time.
right. SPG, I know what this is, yeah, SPG. He says that's good stuff. It's cooking up pretty fast. Move this one around a little bit. Okay. Get some bacon in here too. The Baconator. Okay. Remember the cheese for this one. Okay. I think it's stuck a little bit. All right. Ooh, look at that. Shoot. This almost looks like I know what I was doing. Uh-oh. Spoke too soon. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Here. Can you see it? So good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. All right, better let it finish cooking. Okay, so here they are.
It does look good.
Omelet and
the bacon.
And,
We're not going to do the Walkwin things.
I made these.
That's their thing.
Oh.
We're just going to do the taste test. So I'm going to try the bacon first.
Of course,
I made the bacon.
Good.
Man, that is so good.
Okay. I'm going to take a taste of it then too.
You're going to try your eggs?
I made the egg, and I bet this is better than your bacon. All right, here we go.
Yeah? Pretty good, huh?
Goodness.
Okay.
Let's
try
these under here. That's really
try
good.
the eggs now too.
Yeah, bacon, whatever. It's the eggs that can't be so good.
Man, bacon, egg, perfect. Yeah. Okay. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, and ring the
the
bell
bell for future
notices of our
Have a great day.
upcoming cooks. Have a great day.